Welcome everyone, my name is Andrew. This is Article 7 of the National Master Contract. Today, we are covering Article 7, Local and Area Grievance Machinery. If you want to skip ahead straight to the reading, go ahead and click on the timestamp in the description. Below, you can find a link to the UPS Teamster contract, or if you have not already, you can also download the UPS Teamster app on Android or the Apple Store. This app includes the contract with a handy search function that allows you to find articles and sections immediately important to your situation. I have also included a short links below to help you with installation. I hope you all had satisfying back-to-back 3-day weekends, because I know I did. And now that the relaxing is done, the work has begun, so welcome back to Teamster's Guide to the Contract. I want to also welcome some new subscribers to the channel. I recently received a shout out from the YouTube channel, Roswell Hub, and I really appreciate that. I personally have had a few conversations with him, and he truly is a treasure, and I am proud to call him a Teamster brother. Below, I have included a link to his channel, and if you haven't already, I highly recommend checking out his content. Now, continuing on with the housekeeping, in 2 weeks, I will be releasing Article 9. In the meantime, if you have not already, please do share the short that I put out a few weeks back relating to Article 9, Section 1. In my conversations with fellow Teamsters, the majority are unaware that their job is protected if they participate in the strike. And there will be misinformation going around, and the best thing we can do as rank and file Teamsters is abide by the contract and follow the methods. So, stay safe, stay sharp, and welcome back to Teamster's Guide to the Contract. Now, let us begin. Article 7, Local and Area Grievance Machinery. Except in cases involving cardinal infractions on the applicable supplement, rider, or addendum, an employee to be discharged or suspended shall be allowed to remain on the job without loss of pay unless and until the discharge or suspension is sustained under the grievance procedure. Notwithstanding the foregoing, any superior provisions in supplements, riders, or addenda shall prevail. The union agrees it will not unreasonably delay the processing of such cases. If the employer and the union cannot agree locally on whether an arbitration case involving any suspension or discharge should be postponed, the issue shall be submitted for resolution to the employer's Vice President of Labor Relations and the Parcel and Small Package Division Director or their designees. Provisions relating to local, state, and area grievance machinery are set forth in this applicable supplements, riders, or addenda to this agreement. Supplements shall provide for regular, scheduled meetings each quarter for the arbitration of points of order arising from discharge and suspension grievances, except those involving timeliness or discipline pursuant to Articles 16, 18, or 35 of this agreement. These meetings may be canceled by written mutual agreement. The procedures set forth in the local, state, and area grievance procedure may be invoked only by the authorized union, representative, or employer. All monetary grievance settlements shall be submitted by separate check payable to the grievant or grievance, and a copy of the same sent to the local union for their records. Such settlements shall be paid within 10 working days of the settlement. In addition, any monetary awards based on panel decisions will be made within 10 business days of receipt by the company of the written panel decision. Authorized representatives of the union may file grievances alleging violation of this agreement under local grievance procedure, or as provided herein. Time limitations regarding the processing of grievance, if not set forth in the respective supplemental agreements, riders, or addenda, must appear in the rules of procedures of the various grievance committees and shall apply equally to the employer, the union, and the employees.